Hey guys, in this video here, we're working a 2009 Ford Escape. So we got a situation here where you put the key in, you turn it, nothing happens. I remove the cover, has 3 screws. So we're gonna show you guys how to fix this. There's a little plastic thing inside the housing that is not making contact, and that's what's keeping you from starting the vehicle. You guys can see key is programmed and everything, no security lights. When you turn it, nothing. Okay, so you're gonna need a key to be able to remove the ignition position. You're gonna grab a pick, and there should be a little hole right here. You're gonna keep back a little bit. There you go. The ignition should pop out. Looks like that. And I'm gonna show you guys what's the problem. So, if you guys can see that little plastic thingy in there, that gets worn out, and when you turn the key, it doesn't make good contact with this. This thing doesn't press it in, this thing, and it doesn't start. Really common on Fords. So we're gonna have to replace the whole housing in this case to be able to get that fixed. All right, with removing the housing, you're gonna have to unplug some connectors. Right, disconnect this one from the immobilizer. You're gonna have to remove this screw. I'll show you a way to remove it. And some of the connectors over here. Disconnect everything. So everything's out of the way. It makes the job easier. Let's see. Okay, it's hard to do it with one hand. I'll show you. I'm gonna cut the video here and show you when I have everything unplugged. Just this one, and this one. And yeah, just do that to make room to be able to work. All right, so I remove all the connectors really carefully. And then we're gonna go to the next step. That's gonna be removing this one right here. This one can be a little bit tough. Just takes time. Just gotta be patient. I'll show you. Okay, so to be able to remove that, you're gonna need a hammer and a chisel. And the way you're gonna do it, you're gonna hit it from here and just slowly hit it until it starts turning. Takes a little bit of time, just gotta be patient. Take your time until it comes out. All right, guys, after hitting it a few times, it came off. The new one, it's gonna come out with new bolts, so, or you can reuse that one, but just put the new one in if it comes with new. Okay, then we're gonna see what's next. There's a few other screws right here. One's right here. I think there's another one at the bottom. Okay, I see a few. Okay, we're gonna take this one off first. Okay, guys, so I took that screw off. It's still not coming out because there is one right here that's still haunted. So you're gonna need to turn on the ignition on to be able to turn that the steering. And that's where it is. Let me take it off. Okay, guys, so after removing this screw, there's one more at the bottom right here. I already took it off, so this is ready to come out. Carefully. Let's see. It's kind of hard with one hand, but all right, there it is. This is the old one and the new one. Okay, let's compare it. Yep, they're the same. So this is the thing that goes bad inside that little plastic thingy. We need to remove the immobilizer and put it on this one. It has some clips right here. Just carefully don't break them and put it into the new one. And the same process to put it back on. So we're gonna, that's the little screw that goes at the bottom that I was talking about. This one right here that you need to move the steering to get to it, and the top one right here, and just connect the rest of the connectors to the assembly right here. This is just moving like that because the housing holds it in place like that. Okay, for now I line everything up, so you gotta make sure there's that line. Just move it a little bit. Yep. Oops. Yep. Just align it. Make sure this is aligned too right here. It might take a little bit time. You can see everything moves, but I'm gonna line it up and then start putting the screws on this first, and then this is the last one. The kit should come with the new screw on there that we're gonna put. Okay guys, so I lined everything up. I put the screw on there, the screw right here, and the screw at the bottom. I was telling you guys, this one right here. Okay, so the last screw should be this one right here. This one. So you can see it comes with the head. I'm screwing them slowly. I have to move it around. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna grab a ratchet. Okay, I might have to take the extension off. In a second. There you go. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, it's going in. There you go. So you're gonna keep going until the head breaks off. That means that's where when it breaks, that's when you stop. Yep. You see? Broke off. So that's good enough. It's gonna hold it in place. Okay, and then now you're just gonna have to put everything back together, all the connectors that we took off. So all these connectors, okay? Okay, we got everything connected. And we put back the ignition. So it has to be on the on position. Just put it in, it should go in easily. Just like that. Okay, so before we should turn the key, wasn't doing anything. Now, first time. No security lights or anything. Take it out. Do it again. There you go. All you gotta do now is just put the cover back on there. Put everything in place. So that's how you replace a housing. Really common problems in Fords, F-150s, Ford Escapes, Focus, pretty much all of them. That little plastic goes out. I mean, it doesn't go out, but it wears out over time. And it doesn't make any good contact. So that's how you replace an ignition housing. Pretty easy. It takes a little bit of time. Just be patient, but pretty DIY stuff you can do yourself. But thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.